So, my first time at Chick-Fil-A, no, it's not, I'm lying. Is well, how many times been here? A million times. I've never tried a regular chicken sandwich. So fried chicken sandwich. So this is a review on the fried chicken sandwich from Chick-Fil-A, and we got a free chicken sandwich because of our rewards. So like I was saying, yeah, we're about to review this chicken sandwich. I'll let y'all know on a scale from 1 to 10 how it is. These guys already had it. I'm with my nephews, they're grubbing right now. I'll show you real quick. They're all grubbing.
Absolutely.
So let me show you how this shit about to go down. I'm trying to get this shit right. Alright, so we back. I'm about to review this chicken sandwich once and for all. Fried chicken sandwich from Chick-Fil-A. I never had in my life, so first time for everything, right? I got the chicken sandwich, the Chick-Fil-A fries, and the chicken tenders, which I already had. So I'm just reviewing the chicken sandwich, which is right here. Look at this thing. We gotta see what the hype's about. Gotta see what the hype's about. And you know, gotta put the Chick-fil-A sauce on top. Gotta do it.
I would just dip it in.
Huh?
I would just dip it in.
Yeah?
Yeah. Too much of a mess.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna just dip this shit in. My first bite, Chick-fil-A sandwich. Never had it. Dip it in, the sauce. Get a nice little dip. Let's see.
Excuse me.
Really good. You can taste the pickles. That batter is just crazy. It's really light. It's not thick. Like, look at that. It's juicy. I'll give that a 10 out of 10. The chicken tenders taste just as good, so I knew this was gonna be good. But,
Good rating.
huh?
It's a good rating.
Hey, you gotta be honest with the people. Gotta give y'all what you want. So that was my quick review. This is the fastest review I ever did.
Finish it.
Huh?
Finish the sandwich.
Finish
okay.
it? Alright, I'll finish it. I'll finish it. Just don't want my fries to get cold. Everyone wants to pull up next to us now, huh?
Absolutely. We attract energy, no matter what. I feel bad for these people outside. They're getting paid to do it though, so not a lot.
Another thing about this, the bread is so soft and fresh. Bomb.
Buttered.
Hmm?
Buttered perfectly.
The fries are all right. They're a little cold this time, but all good.
Took a little bit to get to them.
Hmm?
I said you took a little bit to get to them.
Yeah.
Seems like the Chick-fil-A sauce depletes way quicker for some reason.
On what?
Oh, this. Yeah, this. It's like it goes by quicker now. I don't know why. I'll tell you that.
No, I gotta get that Diet Coke. What's that thing going around? They said that they're getting rid of Chick-fil-A sauce or something?
Yeah, well, this is it right here. Like this is what they're doing. They're only giving you one per meal.
I got 3.
Yeah, because you got one. Yeah, different meal. Each different thing.
Now to compare this to Popeyes, I would say Popeyes is a lot tastier and a lot thicker. But this just feels like it's just quality and just lighter. Like it's just more quality.
So which one you like better, Popeyes or this? I'll be honest, I'll go with this rather than Popeyes. Popeyes is just so inconsistent that I would have to go with this restaurant-wise. But food-wise, I'd still go with this.
Popeyes' chicken sandwich is way more flavorful.
I don't think so.
No?
I like this.
I haven't had a Popeyes sandwich in a long time, so
I think it's too like fattening too. Like
The other one, the Popeyes one, is weight for what it's weight. It's not enough chicken. Way too much bread
much better, right?
around the chicken. And they have no sauce to go with it.
Bro, it sits in your stomach. I feel like it sits in my stomach all day
There's
long.
no
Nah,
sauce
I
to
eat
go
this.
with this.
When I eat this shit is so light. It feels like you didn't even eat nothing. I mean, you get you full, but it doesn't give you that like bloated feeling.
It doesn't sit in your stomach. That's what you want.
It's not heavy.
Popeyes, that shit sits in your stomach, bro. And I hate that feeling of food staying in my stomach like that.
Popeyes has no sauce to go with it. No special sauce. They have too much batter around the chicken. And
That was
it's
just
just
sauce.
not
That was
better.
a noise.
And their service is trash.
yeah, around here.
Yeah, I don't know how it is everywhere else, but definitely around here.
So that concludes my chicken sandwich review. I think it's better than Popeyes because Popeyes is too thick, too heavy. You know, this was perfect size, quality, and light. So I rate this a 10 out of 10. If y'all want, come through Chick-Fil-A, get you a nice chicken sandwich. First time trying it, excellent. So that's it. Signing out. Everyone have a great day. God bless.